One false move that could be my last. All these horses in my car got me going fast. I just wanna do the dash.
It's good. Nice pass by Rose. Here's Anthony from outside. Hits a three.
But again, trapping Rose. Rose made the first pass out of the double.
They've been led by Chris Paul with 22. Bobo inside. Back out to West to Manu. Simmons chased off the block. Mills the same. Inside. 5 seconds. Round.
Cavs a 2-point advantage. 9 lead changes in this first half. Great pass. Oh, what a look, and it sets up the ball movement, and back to Irving. You bet! Excellent possession from Cleveland, and a timeout for Houston.
Just beautiful pass. Great movement of the ball. You help to the corner, you swing it. Guess who gets the shot? Beautiful basketball. Kyrie knocked it.
Curry behind the back. Moving around, warm up three, yes sir.
If you watch everything that transpired there, it just has to put a natural smile on your face.
Got traded to Memphis and on to Sacramento. Jameer Nelson, bounce pass. Got a good setup for Murray, didn't take the shot. Extra pass, Chandler. That's ball movement, Scott.
Extra pass and extra movement. Chandler's trying to...
Playing with a lot of pace in this game. Boy, what a find by James. Cavaliers with the extra pass. That has to go in. I mean, they passed that ball.
Who was starting at center when the Rockets played Philadelphia in the first game. We saw Hawes the other night in Cleveland.
Looking at these guys on the floor, and you go, who are these guys?
Look at that ball move around.
Comfortable with Carlisle's system. Looks good.
Ball moving by Houston. Capella's got it in the corner. One extra pass. Dallas with good defense. Bounce pass to Rhino.
A great ball movement there.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Allen off the screen. Baseline. Back to Garnett. Rondo flips it to Bass. Boy, they moved the ball. Oh, unbelievable. Just spectacular.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
A little short. After 2 for 9, he's 2 for 8 tonight. Ronnie Price selling out on the floor. Now they're in scramble mode. Into the corner with 4. Done back out by Kaman. Kaman was wide open. I mean, he could have turned around and probably dunked.
Under 10 of the shot clock, gives it now to Lowry, back to Corey, driving, help comes, kick out Scola, clock down, Norman Powell, sends it to Lowry, drive, kick, corner, 3, oh!
Was able to get it off. And it's saved, nice play. Aaron Williams and Jared Jack combining. They're giving go. What a pass. Jack.
Fourth of game 1. And Kevin Love at the 5, which makes it very, very difficult to guard. Love, Jefferson, Dellavedova. Shumpert inside, James back up top, passed up a layup, Dellavedova hits a break.
Johnson was the 8th pick in the draft last summer. Driving baseline, Caldwell Pope. Straightaway Reggie Jackson. Morris, three-point look. That's up. Good. Well, they're nailing the threes. And
this is a Chucky Beat production.